In the heart of ancient Arabia, where the golden sands stretch endlessly under the blazing sun, a grand city rises, adorned with magnificent palaces and bustling bazaars. This is Baghdad, a beacon of culture, knowledge, and power. Here, the air is thick with the scent of spices and the whispers of destiny. At the center of this thriving empire stands Prince Ahmed, a noble warrior with a heart of gold and a mind sharp as a scimitar. Yet, as his father, the Sultan, falls gravely ill, shadows loom over the throne. The ambitious General Tariq, once a loyal friend, now plots treachery, seeking power for himself. As whispers turn to shouts, the fate of the throne hangs by a thread. The Sultan's council is divided. Loyalists rally behind Ahmed, while conspirators plot in the shadows. The stakes are high, war looms on the horizon, and the once peaceful streets of Baghdad may soon run red with blood. In a shocking twist, as the sun sets on the eve of battle, Ahmed uncovers a hidden scroll, revealing Tariq's collusion with foreign invaders. Betrayal cuts deeper than any sword. The young prince must now rally his forces, not just to save his throne, but to protect his beloved city. As dawn breaks, the clash of swords fills the air. The battle rages, but amidst the chaos, the true lesson emerges. Unity is strength, and even the mightiest can fall. Will Ahmed rise as the leader his people need, or will the sands of time bury Baghdad's glory forever? In the end, bravery and loyalty prevail. Prince Ahmed, victorious yet humbled, learns that the true essence of leadership lies in the hearts of his people. Baghdad stands, not just as a city, but as a testament to resilience, echoing tales of courage for generations to come.